So we have to determine the following probabilities of 4 decimal places. So we got a probability here that negative 1.83 is less than z, which is also less than 2.65. So negative 1.83 is probably around here somewhere. And 2.65 is probably around here somewhere. And what we want is this shaded part. The probability, of course, is equal to your area. So what you need to do is go onto your z-score tables in the back of your book and look up the area for negative 1.83 and the area for 2.65. Keeping in mind that each one of these refers to the area to the left of it. Well, this one right here, which is negative 1.83, is going to reference the area to the left of it. Okay, we don't really want that area, so we're going to subtract that from the area that we find for 2.65. Okay, so what we're going to have is the area of 2.65 minus the area for negative 1.83. Looking that up in the back of your book, you have 0.9960 minus 0.0336, and working that out, it should be 0.9624. For this next one, we've got the probability that 1.83 is less than z, which is also less than 2.65, so we want that area in between those. 1.83 is probably about here, and 2.65 is probably about here. And we're going to shade that in, and that's what you have. Now keep in mind again, both of the areas that you will find in this case will reference everything to the left. What's important is the one on the left, which is 1.83, is going to reference all of the area to the left of it, which we don't necessarily want. Okay, this one right here, which is going to correspond to 2.65, is going to reference everything. So we're going to have to subtract the two in order to make that work. So you're going to have the area of 2.65 minus the area of 1.83. So that's going to be 0.9960 minus 0.9964. And that will result in a number of 0.0296.